got to replace this registration sticker, and I thought I'd have to take some heat and get rid of it, but actually just use a scraper to get the corner up, and it's coming off without any issue. And now you have a good idea of what this what this hull used to look like. Splicing this 1/2-inch 3-strand rope to the end of the chain here. The chain's 100 feet approximately. This line is about 100 feet also. So I'm sure this will be plenty. Already started it, working it, but I passed all 3 single strands, 2 one way through the chain, 1 opposite, and now I'm just weaving it back into to the end of the line here. Hey! Success? Oops. Got a nice warm day today, which is so very welcome. At least last weekend was good too. But we've got temperatures in the mid-70s here. I kind of really blew that, didn't I? Which is just so nice compared to the 40-degree weather I was dealing with here a few months ago. Yeah, I just did that wrong, didn't I? See, I can't, oh no I didn't. Or maybe I did. I did. This one's wrong here. Apparently I cannot splice and talk at the same time. So I'll just keep continuing on with that. Looks pretty good. It's a little overkill, a little length, but it's fine. I've always questioned whether or not this boat was repowered. It has an old Buick DV10. It's actually Westerbeek. It's a Buick rebranded as Westerbeek. Anyways, I guess it was repowered because here we have the deck fill. and you clearly see that says gas. So that answers that. Interestingly enough, it looks like that was moved from the original position. We got the gas fail, but see that the non-skid is right around it. And look at this plate here. This plate has obviously blocked something off, but it was original to the non-skid. So I think that was the original fill area, and then they added this subsequently. So interesting. Okay, let's keep scrubbing. Keep on scrubbing.